Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 5G. Yeah, for that we will need the settings for. So just scroll on here and then tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then on the left side you need to scroll down to the very last point about tablet. And here we need now the software information. Tap on it. And now we need the build number. And we have to tap that build number now for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown, and then you are a developer for the tablet. In case he's asking for a PIN code, that's your lock screen PIN. I don't have any PIN right now here at this tablet, but if he's asking for a PIN, just enter the PIN to unlock the screen with. Okay, now we will have enabled the developer options, but where are the developer options? Below about tablet here on the left side. Now we have here the developer options, and now you can do the stuff you wanted to do. Maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or so much more. Yeah, and if you want to disable them, it's also pretty easy. Just do it here on the top like this and they will disappear. So they're no more there. But if you want to have them back, just tap 7 times on the build number as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. Oh, what happened? I'm innocent. Okay, anyhow, I hope everything works at you, and thank you for watching this video. Maybe you can give me some thumbs up, that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.